Hey, Twitter enthusiasts! Are you struggling to get those elusive retweets on your tweets? Well, worry no more. In today's video, we're going to spill the beans on the best sites where you can buy Twitter retweets to instantly boost your profile and get that viral traction. So, buckle up as we dive into the top 6 platforms that offer genuine retweets from real Twitter accounts. Number 1. Famoid. Kicking off our list with Famoid, a top-notch service provider that should be at the top of your priority list. Why? Because they deliver results. With an emphasis on quality and security, Famoid ensures you get retweets from genuine Twitter accounts with proper profiles. Their instant delivery promise and 30-day money-back guarantee add an extra layer of assurance. The cherry on top? They've got 24/7 customer support ready to assist you. Number 2. Social Plug. Next up, we have Social Plug, the newcomer making waves with exceptional services and wallet-friendly rates starting at just 9 cents per retweet. With a lightning-fast delivery system and a variety of payment options, Social Plug has already delivered over 950,000 retweets to satisfied clients globally. Number 3. Social Boss. Looking for a legit option to boost your brand effortlessly? Enter Social Boss, a 100% risk-free platform with a range of services protected by smart delivery technologies. Their authentic and natural retweets come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. While the delivery time might be a tad slow, their simple platform and friendly customer support make up for it. Number 4. Media Mister. Media Mister gives you full freedom to choose the type of retweets you want and even the specific location. With options like normal, quote tweet, and NFT retweets, you can target specific countries for a personalized touch. They've been in the game for over 12 years, providing top-notch service to 150,000 plus customers. The 60-day free refill guarantee is the icing on the cake. Number 5. Buy Cheapest Followers. Affordability is the name of the game at Buy Cheapest Followers. Offering high-quality services at pocket-friendly prices, they claim to provide retweets from genuine Twitter accounts. Quick delivery and best-in-class customer support make them a solid option, though the lack of a refund or refill policy is something to note. Number 6. QQTube. Closing our list with QQTube, offering an option to buy retweets from verified accounts. While verified retweets may be on the pricier side, their affordable rates for normal Twitter retweets make them stand out. With a clean dashboard to track your progress and a free $1 credit upon sign-up, QQTube is a safe and secure platform. Now that we've explored the platforms, let's discuss why you might want to buy Twitter retweets. From growing engagement on your tweets to improving social proof and even going viral, buying retweets can give your Twitter game a significant boost. But before you embark on your retweet buying journey, you should remember a few key things. Check the reputation of the service provider, ensure the quality of accounts, stick to your budget, consider delivery speed, and assess customer support. And there you have it, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy tweeting!